Hey Stitching Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today we are making the Olivia Bra, one of the best patterns for fuller bust, I swear. And before we start, I need to show you something. My friend wears a 75N, which is 34N in US sizing, and store-bought bras, they never fit her. So I made her the Olivia, medium size with H-cup, and as you can see, it fits her perfectly. And if you are smaller cup as me, don't worry, it works for me too. So let's make the Olivia together. For this style you will need a half meter of the main fabric and half meter of lining fabric, both full width. If your fabric doesn't have a directional print, you will probably need a less. As for the fabric type, cotton jersey works beautifully or other stretchy material. Just keep in mind how much support you are looking for. The more stretch your fabric has, the softer and more relaxed the fit will be. Less stretch means more structure and support, which is especially important if you are sewing for a fuller bust. So for this style you will need a half meter of the main fabric, then a half meter of your lining fabric. I'm using cotton jersey for both. Then 1 meter of strap elastic. This pattern is made to use 25mm white elastic, 1 meter of underbust elastic, then 2 sliders and 2 rings or 2 hooks, and 1 bra closure. You can also add a thin narrow elastic along the underbust seam and neckline for a better fit and a little extra support. Mine is 4mm wide. We are here again. Okay, now we can cut the pieces from the main and lining fabric. First, cut the pieces from the main fabric. Then flip this piece and cut the second one mirrored. If you don't have a directional print or maybe any print, you can also cut your pieces on double layered fabric and save your time a bit. So we will cut the lining pieces this way. And we will start with the darts. So place your main piece right sides together and pin all 4 darts. And do the same also with the main pieces. And sew your cup darts. And now I usually just leave the threads here as they are, but you can also make a knot at the end of the dart. It's totally up to you and what you prefer. Place your lining pieces right side up and then take the main pieces and place them right side down on it. So they are facing the right sides together, and pin the underarm and the neckline. And do the same also with the second side. And sew the layers together. I like to add the elastic just to the underarm seams, so I will use it right here. And I am using a little longer stitch when adding the elastic. I'm not stretching the elastic. And I will sew the second side exactly the same way as the first one. At this point we can also join the strap elastic. So take your straps and slide them through the fabric straps. You can also use tweezers to make it a little bit easier, and make sure the right side of the elastic is facing the right side of your main fabric. And now for the better look, I usually just fold the seam allowance to the wrong side and then stitch it like this. And now we can stitch it and I will show you the result. So now if you turn the piece to the right side, you will get a beautiful strap. And then you can turn the piece to the right side. And again, really beautiful strap. Then pin and baste the bottom edge. Or you can use a long straight stitch instead of the basting thread. And the second side as well. Now we will cross the front. So align the center front of one cup with the dart from the other cup. And do the same with the second one. Dart from the one cup and center front from the other one. And baste the cups together. Mark a center of your bra and then also mark a center of your underbust elastic. You know what's coming right now. I'm pretty sure you know. Then align the center marks and also the center back. Now you can check your closure if it sits perfectly. As you can see, the underbust elastic is shorter than the bra. It's totally okay, and it should be like this. So what you can do now is to mark a quarters, and it will help you to distribute the fabric evenly. But I'm pretty sure you can do it without that also. So I will just pin the quarter here and baste the bra with the elastic together. Then take your paper pattern and mark the strap loop placement. Thread your strap loops through the rings, or if you are using the hooks, just leave them as they are, like this. But I am using the rings today, so I am sliding the strap loop through the ring and baste it onto the strap loop placement. And the second one as well. And stitch the elastic with zigzag, 3-step zigzag or your cover stitch machine. I am using the 3-step zigzag today. You can gently stretch the elastic to keep the fabric nice and flat. Then baste and sew your closure. And thread and secure the straps and strap loops. And our Olivia bra is done. Double layered, full support with the beautiful straps. So let's try it on.